Hello, Navnath.
Hello, sir.
Guys, we are going to learn English.
Yes.
And today's topic is very important, guys. यार जोश कैसे होना चाहिए?
Hi, sir.
हाई होना चाहिए, ओके? आज का टॉपिक हम लेने वाले हैं इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग के लिए एंड दैट इज समथिंग कॉल्ड
Institute is important after the college or with the college.
graduation. Okay. When you complete your graduation, you want to learn something, right?
Yes.
So that
in college we
yes,
we can't get that.
Knowledge.
In college we can't get that skills and knowledge.
yes, in college there is no knowledge, like good knowledge we are not getting. So
There are lots of good colleges also. They are providing good.
No, I am not saying good college. Tell me the name.
We can.
In out of 100, how many college
How many college out of 10% colleges are
giving the good knowledge?
Yeah, with
Like-
good. They are taking the good fees also. That's why.
Yes. So it is important to join any institute, right? We are talking on that.
Yes.
What's your opinion?
I think it's very important to IT sector students because I have completed my BCA in 2024. I am in third year and I have joined the full stack Java development course in Core IT Software Training Institute, Hadapsar, Pune. So it was very helpful for me in last 6 months. I have completed the full stack Java development course. So it is very important for me.
मतलब for everyone it is important.
Yes.
For IT background, non-IT background.
Non-IT students will be also joining
Yes.
us.
So why he is recommended for institute? There is a reason, guys. Because in our college there is no such guidance, no such knowledge, and by using that knowledge you cannot survive in college knowledge.
Till my third year, sir, I am learning only like programming languages like Java, Python, C Sharp, and SQL. But I don't even I have not skilled in any language.
I'm taking my example. I also don't know what is Java. I only know JAVA. That's it. Till third year.
Yes.
After that, I am learning. I am improving myself, guys. I have also one YouTube channel, Adi and Java,
Yes.
where I also teach Java. If you want to learn Java from me, you can go and check my channel also. Okay. So, why institute? But see, guys, there are many institute making fraud also.
Yes, there are lots of institutes making frauds.
So you need to check out which
Yeah.
institute is good. And institute should be joined. Should be joined. Why? In college-
Institute is very important.
Yes.
Because they are providing practical knowledge. I have learned lots of things in this institute, and I am learning it.
Very fast.
No, no, not very fast, but
Yes, yes.
we
Marathi.
can get a roadmap to become something here.
Yes, right. So, after the college, anyone can get the job without institute.
I don't think about in my college. I don't think about what I want to become. After-
Now, ma'am is also giving the example. Ma'am is saying that I am going to the college visit, and there is a suppose asking to the one student like, what's your name and what you want to become in your life.
Yeah,
They are telling, I don't know.
yeah.
That student is in third year,
I'm-
in last
I'm-
year. They don't know what I want to become.
I am also in that phase in my college time. After coming here, ma'am told me to set a goal and start doing uh, your.
I also
Journey.
don't know what I want to become in third year. Literally, I am
Yes.
frankly saying. I also don't want to. I am saying that yeah, जो होगा वो देखा जाएगा.
Yes. After coming here, ma'am told me to like set a goal and work on that goal.
Yes.
So I have set a goal of become a Java developer or full stack developer.
It's very important, guys. If you want to improve your skills, knowledge, you should be joining any institute. And I will refer that join good institute.
Yes.
Because there is a lots of fraud institute, guys, in Pune itself. They are making fraud. They are taking 50,000, 1 lakh fees. They are not educating you. They are just taking fees and completing syllabus.
Yes.
So there is lots of
I'm giving you some example like there are two students. They are coming from my village, my area, like not my in my village, but in my taluka. They have come to Pune and they have joined the institute. And after that, they have joined the full stack Java development, Java or .NET or sorry PHP development. So they have joined PHP in like Karvinagar something in Pune. So after completing the course, they have not in that they have not knowledgeable, I think, and they have not they are giving time. They have invested lots of money in it, but they are working in a as a back office coordinator now. They have not get a job after completing the course. So
It's a fraud.
it is so important to check out the ratings and reviews of that particular institute and go there, and you cannot join at a time in institute. You can check out 4 to 5 institutes in your area.
Can you refer some institute in Pune, good institute?
I think this institute is good for me because
Which this means?
this is Code IT Software Training Institute. It is in Hadapsar, Shevalwadi, Manjri Stud in front of Manjri Stud Farm.
You are learning from
What
who is the tutor?
tutor is Adinath sir. They are a very good mentor, I think.
I think okay.
No. They are a very good mentor. I have.
देख रहे हो?
I am completing full stack Java since 4 months, but I have a good experience with Adinath sir.
Okay, no problem. Guys, I have also one YouTube channel, Adyan Java, you can check out. But I also teach the knowledge of Java in very, very smooth way, yeah. You can check out.
And also I say to give your most of the time to your studies, because I went here at I went here at 9:30 and go from here at
7:30.
7:30. So I will do my lunch here. with
Everything,
Adinath sir.
everything.
Everything with Adinath sir, and I come with Adinath sir, and Adinath sir lives in my area where I live, so we come together and go together. Yeah, from last four
Guys, it is
four
very
months.
important. You need to invest 10 hours. He's invest 10 hours in a day. So that's why he's getting something new every day.
Yes.
And he's also improving his English skills. You want to improve, then you can join us with Zoom meeting. Okay, you can comment down that. So I think Navnath 8 minutes already gone. So guys, we will stop here for today. And ऐसे टॉपिक के ऊपर यहाँ पे इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन चलता रहेगा. आप ज्वाइन करना ना भूलो.
Yes.
Thank you so much.